Everyone talking about Lavage de Autos by The Strange South. The notes in this are wax, motor oil, cement, soap suds, and a splash of white musk. So this is based on, yeah, like a car wash. And I love fun concept cement scents like this or just like weird stuff like that. And I like the note of motor oil. But to me, this smells like a staircase or elevator in like a big city parking lot building that has been pissed in countless times. And that sounds so specific, but if you've been to many parking, structures in major cities, at least in the States, that is a very specific and common scent. And like literally, that's exactly what it smells like to me. Not even just like kind of reminiscent of that. So yeah, I guess it is a combination of like industrial and chemical ish. So, and that is what this is going for, but I think that not quite going for that. But yeah, even for a concept scent, I just really don't like the smell of this at all. But no shade to the Fragrance House. They do have a lot of stuff I do like too. And I like when places just try different things. So yeah, I still totally recommend checking out stuff from them. Personally, just not this exact one.